Hey, this is Andrew Hollandchuk with the Victoria Property Group powered by eXp Realty. I'm excited to share with you 2200 Kinross. This beautiful Oak Bay home is nicely updated throughout. Beautiful corner lot, your steps to everything, and very private. You'll love the grand kitchen, the spa-like bathroom in the master bedroom. This 2-level home will complete all buyer's boxes. The bonus, it feels like a rancher up top. Let's go check it out. Hey, thanks for checking out this video. I just love this kitchen, love all the hardwood floors. If you want to book a private viewing, contact us or your realtor. Bye for now.